In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can register your price list in the system. Keep in mind that the price list and customer registration are the two main pieces of information you need to start using the system. First, go to the top menu, Records arrow Price List. Next, I'll click on My Tables. The system provides a default table named Main. If you wish, you can rename it by clicking the pencil icon. In my case, I'll create a new table. You can name it however you prefer. I'll name mine Price List 2025. The next step is to register the services within this table. To do this, go to Edit Tables. Next, select a table. As we can see, both of my tables are listed. The system's default table, which I can rename, and the new one I just created. I'll edit and add services to my new table. After selecting the table, the next step is to register the categories. Categories help you organize your price list. Click the green Add Category button. My first category will be named Prosthetics. After creating your category, you can now add the services and the amounts to be charged. To do this, click the green Service button. Enter the service name, and if you wish, you can also add the amount to be charged. You can also specify the number of days to finish the service. This value will be automatically added to the deadline date, laboratory, when launching the service order, but it can be adjusted. It's also important to note that the system allows you to configure commission control for employees, either by stages, total service, or outsourced service commissions. For these three fields, we have separate videos showing how to configure service stages and commissions. Finally, click the green Register Service button. As you can see, the service has now been added to the selected category. Let's add one more service to recap the process. Click the green Service button, enter the service name, amount, and then register the service. This way you can register all your services. Now I'll show you how to register transport and products. Create a new category. I'll start with transport. I'll name my category Transport. Next, click the blue Transport button. Enter the name and the amount. Remember, this transport field is for cases where you want to link it to a service and charge the customer. Lastly, I'll create a new category called Product. Select the blue Product button and link all the products already registered in your inventory. Finally, confirm by clicking the blue Register button. This is how you can fully register your price list in the system and link it to your customers. If a customer uses different prices, simply repeat the same process from the beginning of the video.